Hey there, welcome back. Today we are going to make some high protein recipes because everyone seems to be obsessed with high protein recipes these days. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. If you have got just 15 minutes, you need to try this high protein oats Sheila. Minimal mehnat, super soft, super delicious, and such an easy healthy breakfast for you. Save this for later because this will keep you full for a longer time so you won't keep munching in between meals. So creamy. You see it? For those mornings when you're short on time but still want something delicious, try this creamy avocado cottage cheese toast. Just blend everything together, spread it on a crispy toast, and you have got yourself a breakfast that feels fancy without the effort.
Oats smoothie for breakfast.
In this heat, the last place I want to be is the kitchen. So I made this 15-gram protein smoothie instead. Just blend everything together and you have got yourself a creamy filling breakfast in minutes. Easy, delicious, and exactly what summer mornings need. If your cravings are craving something spicy and comforting, make this creamy gochujang paneer sandwich in just 10 minutes.
Our sauce is ready.
Who says healthy breakfast have to be
This till
boring?
it gets slightly golden brown.
When you
Just
can
cool
make
for a
this
bit.
spicy, creamy gochujang paneer sandwich that's packed with protein and tastes so good.
Have some.
I made this. Okay, I don't know what's happening, but I have been adding coffee to everything lately. So I thought, why not try it in overnight oats? I have never made them before, but this turned out so good. I'm calling this midnight mocha oats, and yes, I'm definitely making this again and again. It's tasty and chocolatey, creamy, delicious.
Have some.
I have been making this high protein uppy at least once every week because they are so easy to make, made with simple ingredients already at home, and somehow taste way too good for the amount of effort they take. They keep you full for longer, so you're not constantly munching in between meals. Save this recipe for your next breakfast and thank me later. Lately, I've been making these high protein mini vegetable omelets with a creamy peanut sauce, and they have become my go to post workout breakfast. Made with eggs and veggies, they are packed with around 18 grams of protein, comes together in just few minutes and keep me full for hours. Quick, nutritious and honestly so delicious. I have been making them on repeat. I hope you liked these recipes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care and bye.